Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the world at an unprecedented pace. According to a recent report by Gartner, AI adoption has grown by 270% in the last 4 years. The surge in AI development has been fueled by advancements in machine learning, deep learning, and data analytics. Startups and tech giants alike are pouring resources into AI research and development. This surge in interest is not limited to the tech sector. Industries ranging from healthcare to finance are harnessing AI to solve complex problems. Despite its rapid growth, AI is still in its infancy. As we continue to explore and refine AI technologies, it is crucial to understand what AI is, its current applications, and the ethical considerations it brings to the forefront. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are designed to think and learn like humans. They can perform tasks such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and translating languages. AI systems are built using algorithms that process large amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions. AI can be divided into two categories, narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks such as facial recognition or language translation. These systems are highly skilled in their designated functions, but lack the ability to perform tasks outside their program capabilities. General AI, on the other hand, aims to replicate human cognitive abilities. However, general AI remains largely theoretical at this stage. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix and Amazon, AI is becoming an integral part of everyday life. AI is already being utilized in numerous ways across different industries. In healthcare, AI algorithms assist in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images and patient data. In finance, AI-driven systems are used for fraud detection, risk management, and personalized banking experiences. Transportation is another area where AI is making strides. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI are being tested and deployed to improve road safety and reduce traffic congestion. In retail, AI enhances customer experiences through personalized recommendations and efficient supply chain management. Even in creative fields, AI is leaving its mark. AI-generated art, music, and literature are pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. These applications demonstrate the versatility and transformative potential of AI. As AI technology continues to advance, its impact will be felt across an even broader spectrum of activities. The rapid advancement of AI raises several ethical concerns. One major issue is the potential for bias in AI systems. Since AI algorithms are trained on data sets, any biases present in the data can be perpetuated by the AI. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Addressing and mitigating these biases is crucial for the responsible development of AI. Privacy is another significant concern. AI systems often require access to vast amounts of personal data to function effectively. This raises questions about data security and the potential misuse of sensitive information. Ensuring that AI systems are transparent and that users' privacy is protected is essential. There is also the issue of accountability. When an AI system makes a mistake, it can be challenging to determine who is responsible. The potential for job displacement due to AI automation is another ethical dilemma. Ethical considerations must be at the forefront of AI development to ensure that its benefits are realized without compromising societal values. While AI holds great promise, it also presents several risks. One of the most discussed risks is the possibility of AI systems becoming uncontrollable. As AI becomes more advanced, there is a concern that it could act in ways that are not aligned with human values or intentions. Another risk is the use of AI in malicious activities. AI can be exploited for cyber attacks, creating sophisticated malware, or spreading disinformation. Ensuring robust cybersecurity measures and ethical guidelines is crucial to prevent the misuse of AI technology. The concentration of power in the hands of a few organizations that control advanced AI systems is another potential risk. This can lead to monopolies and exacerbate existing inequalities. Ensuring that AI development is inclusive and benefits a broad range of stakeholders is essential to mitigate this risk. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by improving diagnostic accuracy, personalizing treatment plans, and enhancing patient care. One of the most significant benefits of AI in healthcare is its ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data quickly and accurately. AI algorithms can identify patterns and anomalies in medical images, such as X-rays or MRIs, that might be missed by human radiologists. Personalized medicine is another area where AI is making a significant impact. By analyzing patient data, including genetic information, AI can help develop customized treatment plans tailored to individual patients. AI-powered predictive analytics can also help identify patients at risk of developing certain conditions, enabling early intervention and preventive care. AI is enhancing patient care through virtual health assistants and telemedicine. The integration of AI in healthcare is paving the way for more efficient, accurate, and personalized medical care. The finance industry is leveraging AI to enhance efficiency, improve decision-making, and provide better services to customers. One of the primary applications of AI in finance is fraud detection. AI algorithms can analyze transaction data in real time to identify suspicious activities and flag potential fraud. This capability helps financial institutions protect their customers and reduce losses due to fraudulent activities. AI is also transforming risk management. By analyzing vast amounts of financial data, AI systems can assess risks more accurately and make informed decisions. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are improving the quality and efficiency of interactions. These systems can handle routine inquiries, provide personalized advice, and assist with transactions, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. AI is also enhancing financial planning and advisory services. The transportation sector is undergoing a transformation driven by AI technologies. Autonomous vehicles are one of the most prominent examples of AI in transportation. These vehicles use AI to interpret data from sensors, cameras, and GPS to navigate and make real-time decisions. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to improve road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and lower emissions. AI is also being used to optimize logistics and supply chain management. AI algorithms can analyze data from various sources to predict demand, optimize routes, and manage inventory. In public transportation, AI is being used to develop smart transit systems that can optimize routes, schedules, and resource allocation based on real-time data. Traffic management is another area where AI is making a significant impact. The integration of AI in transportation is creating safer, more efficient, and more sustainable mobility solutions. Recent innovations in AI are showcasing its potential to drive significant advancements across various fields. One notable breakthrough is the development of GPT-4, an advanced language model created by OpenAI. GPT-4 can generate human-like text, understand context, and perform complex language tasks with high accuracy. This innovation has numerous applications, from improving customer service to advancing research in natural language processing. Another significant innovation is the use of AI in drug discovery. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of biological data to identify potential drug candidates and predict their effectiveness. This approach accelerates the drug discovery process and reduces costs, potentially leading to the development of new treatments for various diseases. AI-driven advancements in computer vision are enabling new applications in areas like security, agriculture, and environmental monitoring. As AI technology continues to evolve, it will drive further breakthroughs and reshape industries in ways we have yet to imagine. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from.